want to learn how I upgraded my iPhone from this old dirty 7 to the brand new iPhone XR, then you're definitely going to make sure to stick till the end of this video, because in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 3 different methods that you can use right now today in order to generate the kind of cash that you've been looking for and in order to get a completely free iPhone. The best part about these methods is that they are 100% legit, and I'm actually really happy that you went ahead and clicked on this video instead of all of the other videos when you went ahead and searched how to get a free iPhone, because every single other video that you're going to find in the search ranking is a complete scam. Believe it or not, Apple++ is a scam. If you download Apple++, you're just downloading a virus, which instead you could have used today's methods and gone ahead and instead gotten the free cash that you need to go ahead and get a brand new iPhone for completely free. Something else that's free is the value on this channel, because on this channel, I'm dedicated to teaching you the easiest and fastest ways to go ahead and get some completely free money from a bunch of different apps. So if that sounds interesting, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button with post notifications on. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope you have a good day. So as you guys can see, I have my phone on my screen right here, and this is going to be a necessity for the first method. So if you're already on your phone, get on your phone, go back to this video and go to one of the first links in the description and go ahead and click on that sign up for AttaPoll button. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install AttaPoll on your phone, and then you're going to want to hit this open button. And if you go ahead and go to my balance, as you can see, I have already done a $35 payout with AttaPoll. So obviously I've been able to afford quite a bit of stuff with this payout, as well as I already have another $11 just within the last week and a half, just coming out here, filling out some super easy surveys just while I've been on the can. And if you guys go ahead and sign up with my exclusive AttaPoll link down below, you will get a free 50 cents upon sign up. So obviously this is going to be a win-win for you, because for full disclosure, you are supporting the channel. But if you want to support the channel and you want to go ahead and enable me to create more high value content just like this, then make sure you go ahead and sign up with AttaPoll with the first link in the description. But as you can see right here, AttaPoll doesn't always have surveys, and this is for whatever reason. Maybe they just don't have a survey for you to be able to fill out. Maybe they don't have whatever, like, you never know what the reason is. So if you guys don't have a survey from AttaPoll that you can go ahead and fill out right now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the second link in the description and go ahead and install Eureka. As you guys can see right here, Eureka has a 1-minute survey that we can go ahead and fill out and get a free $1.50. And let's see what it's about. So I go ahead and hit the cash out. Do we have any improvements for Eureka? I don't. On a scale to 10, how likely are you to recommend Eureka to your friends? I would give it a 10, which is why I recommend it to you guys. And then there you go. Just like that, we made a free $1.50 from Eureka. And as you can see, I now have a balance of about $15. I cashed out with Eureka very, very recently. And if you go ahead on my profile, you can see right here, I have made over $140 from Eureka in my time frame. And if I go ahead and hit my history button, you can see that I have all of these different surveys that I've gone ahead and fill out, as well as referrals that I've gone ahead and recommending Eureka to you guys. So when you go ahead and download Eureka with the second link in the description, you will get a free $1 survey upon sign up, as well as a free 25 cents immediately deposited into your account. And the reason why I like Eureka a lot is because Eureka fills in for when AttaPoll is unavailable. AttaPoll is very selective with their surveys, and they only allow you to have a certain number of surveys. So whenever you see a survey from AttaPoll, you got to make sure that you hit it immediately, because they're not going to be available forever. But Eureka, in my experience, always at least has a couple $1 surveys that aren't going to take you no more than a couple minutes to fill out. So I'd highly recommend you guys go ahead and use Eureka today. But just as another example, here's a daily poll, which they always have daily polls that you can go ahead and use to get a free cent. And what is my preferred method of transportation? It's walking, but obviously you're never going to actually get that. And as you can see, just like that, I got a free cent, which has enabled me to hit the $15 limit. And the best part about Eureka is that they have pretty much instant cash outs, which they also have cash outs into Visa gift cards, into PayPal. I use PayPal to deposit this money into my PayPal account, which then I use to buy my other phone from. And the best part about AttaPoll is that they also have the same. So if I go ahead and go to my balance, you can see that you can get a gift card. I've deposited with PayPal as well. You can also deposit with a Revolt account if you have a Revolt account. And these are all great methods of payouts that are going to be really, really easy. However, something that I've noticed is that none of these service sites have cash outs for 2 things. One of them is actually more exclusive gift cards like Shein. None of these apps have gift cards for Shein. And the other one is that none of them pay out to Cash App. I'm a huge fan of Cash App. I love Cash App. Instant transactions, 0% fees, instant transactions from peer to peer. I am a huge fan of Cash App. And if you guys want a survey app that deposits directly into Cash App that actually pays out more than both Eureka and AttaPoll, go ahead and check out the next site that I'm going to be talking about right now. What you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your search bar and you're going to want to type in paid to earn. And then as you can see right here on paid to earn, you get 100% of your survey earnings. Unlike both Eureka and AttaPoll, where they only give you about 50, maybe even 30% of your survey earnings, paid to earn literally gives you 100% of your survey earnings. So if I go ahead and click start earning for free, as you can see right here, I've already gained 12,000 points, which is related to over $120, which I have actually cashed out. They do deposits directly into PayPal, but they also do deposits from Cash App. So if I go ahead and check out the Cash Out button right here, as you can see, they have Cash App and iTunes gift cards, as well as Robux and even Discord Nitro, which not a single one of these other survey sites that you're going to find are also going to have Discord Nitro. And the reason why they have Xbox gift cards is because if you deposit an Xbox gift card into your Xbox account, you can actually use that to buy mine coins. So pay to earn also can get you completely free mine coins. I've also heard that they are working on adding Steam games, as well as Steam deposits, as well as a lot of other skins for games like Valorant and CSGO. They're also integrating BTC cash outs, so there's no better time than to get on pay to earn right now. If you guys go ahead and click on the sign up that's in my comment section, you will get a free $1 upon sign up. But let's go ahead and check out the earn section. If you guys want to know the meta for earning on pay to earn, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on this best offers button, and you're going to want to scroll down and you're going to want to select any one of these offers. So they'll tell you exactly what the payouts are. The payouts are for this survey is $3.50, which Eureka and AttaPoll has never had a survey that pays out that much. And the reason why pay to earn pays out is because they believe in actually prioritizing their customers first. Unlike any other survey site you're going to find out there or any other offer wall site like Free Cash, they give you 100% of your earnings. They literally give you 100% of what the survey is worth, which means that you guys are going to be cashing out from pay to earn over any of these other apps, just so much more compared to the others. And if you guys also go ahead and check out BitLab surveys, BitLab is also really good. You can see that you are literally earning $1.50, literally so much more for so much less time compared to Eureka or AttaPoll. And then you can also check out the offers in games where you can literally earn $90 for just playing games, $45, $58, $36, $30. There's so much money to be made on pay to earn that even though I love Eureka and AttaPoll, you're just not going to be able to get the same kind of offers with the same kind of cash out. But that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. With that like button, you go ahead and click on this video that you can see right here, as well as going ahead and signing up for all of the different apps that I list down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I genuinely do hope that you, yes, you, have a good day.